I'm Jim Ramsey. I'm deacon here at Sacred Heart. The goal of the project originally was to tie together three buildings, I should say. A school that was built in the 1920s, and a church built in the 1950s, and an activities building built in the 1970s. So we started out after we hired Langer as the contractor. We got our original total plan, so then the issue was to try and get it down into our budget. So Langer, working with the architect, put together a number of options. The committee chose to go ahead with the gathering space, and so the work began between Langer and the architect to get us down into our budget. We did that by taking out or assessing our needs versus our wants, and we were able to get within our budget all of our needs, and in addition to that, some of our wants. And the design allowed us to add a phase two, or provide for a phase two, I should say, which would allow us then to include the social hall. Now the schedule was set up in such a way that we could begin construction while school was still in session, but do that part of the construction that would not affect the actual operation of the school. And we would be completed with the heavy-duty construction work in time and the work in the school in time, so we could actually start school again in a timely manner come fall. One of the things that we really wanted to be able to do was to maintain all of our church services on the weekends, and also any funerals that would occur during the weekdays. All of that was accomplished nicely. The only disruption really in the church activity was the daily masses during the time that sprinkler system was installed in the church itself. One of the major concerns that we had aesthetically was putting the sprinkler system in the church, and of course the code required us to do that, but we were very happy with the way it turned out. Langer and the architect and members of the parish here spent a great deal of time with the sprinkler subcontractor, making sure that the orientation of the pipes was in a position that minimized the disruption or the change in the appearance of the church. And actually, to my knowledge, after we got it done and got it painted, we've never really had anybody comment about how it caused a problem with the aesthetics inside the church. Like I said, we were very concerned going in, and we're very happy with what we ended up with.